Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Good morning. It is Sunday, and boy, is it going to be a busy Sunday. Look at this mess. I don't know if you can see. So, we got to start by cleaning up the house, obviously. But Mina, you got a couple of things going on today. What you got to do?
Ballet.
That's right. You got how many ballet lessons today? Not just one. She's got 2 ballet lessons that she needs to go to. That's right. And Tato, you got to go to your lesson too, right? Yeah. That's all right. Look at his hair. We're gonna try to give him a haircut.
Hello. Cap.
Look at that. Tato loves that. Nina's putting on a little show, huh? Mommy, come over here.
Yes.
How are you doing?
I'm so busy now.
Can you show us your tummy? 3B's coming along. Yeah, you don't have to show the belly. Alright, you kids are gonna be good today? Alright.
Mama was going to bye bye.
Bye.
Yes, me too.
Say bye. Bye.
Got enough sun cream?
Bye.
Bye, you guys.
Time to go.
Have fun. Bye. Tito, look how messy this place is. We got boxes and bags everywhere. You and me, let's clean up the house, okay? Let's do it. All right, so today we have a ton of things we need to do. First of all, Mina has 2 ballet lessons. Tato also has a lesson that he needs to go to. Now, leading up to today, Tato has had a fever. Luckily, it's down now. But then Mina started to get a cough, and so things have just been very hectic for the past couple of days. Now, the house isn't the cleanest, so I'm gonna try to organize and get things tidied up around here. And so yeah, it's gonna be busy. Hopefully, you can follow us along. What you got there, mister?
Wait.
You got My Little Pony?
Baby.
Yeah, you know you're reading it upside down, right? Why don't you go like this and read it like this?
Look.
That's better.
Kuya. Check it.
He's scary looking, isn't he? Alright, let's clean up. Let's go. Why are you so angry? Come here. Come here. Which one? Are you gonna have one more though, okay? You want it? Last one, okay? What do you say? You're welcome. Alright, I guess he really liked that book because he requested watching My Little Pony, so here we are. Tato happy? Why does it feel like there's always a never-ending stream of laundry to fold? Daycares in Japan, they make you prepare so many things, and they probably change like 100 times a day. It's crazy. Well, the rainy season is almost over, and I think by next week we'll be looking at very hot summer weather. That should be nice for the kids because they love swimming pools. But for mommy, it's not gonna be fun. Mommy hates hot weather, and she'll complain about how hot it is every second that we're outside. To make matters worse, she is pregnant, so she has a legitimate excuse to complain. Me, on the other hand, I quite like summer. I like wearing t-shirts, they're comfy. But yeah, when we're inside the house, our electricity bill goes through the roof because it is on almost all day. Mina also doesn't like the heat. Her face gets really red, so I think she's like mommy in that way. Tato, too close. Sit on the chair, please. That's better. Alright, one minor complaint about the rainy season. If it's gonna rain, please rain consistently. The fact that one day it's sunny and one day it's rainy, I have to keep lugging these things around back and forth between the balcony and our drying room in the bath. Please, consistency, that's all I'm asking for. According to the weather forecast, we still have a couple of hours before it rains, so I've made a decision to hang them outside. Thanks, Google. Who's this? Beaver. Beaver. Yeah, we have a blue dog and a red dog, yeah? What do you say? What do you say? Alright, I'm off to go take out the trash.
I'm doing balls.
Bouncing balls. Bouncing balls.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm doing slime.
Slime? What do you do with the slime?
You can just make your favorite thing.
Alright, can you make me a hot dog?
Hot dog?
Yeah.
But that would be too easy.
Oh, look at that. Oh, perfect. It's got a buns and everything. Ketchup, please.
Okay.
Wow. Pizza. Nice.
Well,
I actually put it in my mouth.
what's next?
I'm kind of getting full, but can I just have like a drink? Like a grape juice?
Okay.
Love it. Nice and cool. Well, not finished. Well, okay, so you got your little water pad there. And then you just apply it. Oh, it looks like it's an animal. What do you see?
Cover.
In English, how do you say that?
I forgot.
Oh, I'll give you a hint.
Hippo.
Yeah. Why do you know hippo? Because I always call you a hungry hippo. It seems like Tato has found a good place to sit. Yeah! Woohoo! Alright. Look what mommy got me. This is a chocolate almond bar from 7-Eleven. Very nice choice. What did you get? Are you sure you should be eating that? Alright, so we are on our way to pick up Mina. She'll be finishing up with her ballet soon. And from there, we will drive directly to Tato's lesson. So he'll be there for about an hour, and during that time, we're gonna try to do some grocery shopping. So busy, huh? And yeah, try to go to bed early tonight. Got a big day tomorrow.
What?
I'm doing a filming tomorrow.
Oh.
Yeah. I gotta wear my necktie and all that good stuff. Look sharp, you know. Nani? Nani?
Funny.
Because this is my favorite bell. This one's sparkly. And it's not beautiful.
Is it helpful for tangled hair?
Yes.
What do you think? All right. Looks like a cold cocoa drink.
Yes. Daddy, I'm not getting crazy.
Not yet. So we're doing an experiment here. Whenever Mina drinks soft drinks, she starts to act a little bit crazy. You can see it in her eyes. she's had a couple of sips and she seems okay so far. We'll check back in a few minutes.
So yummy. So I'm not getting crazy about it. It's got a few more. It's totally going to finish.
Okay. Did you finish it all?
Yes. You finished?
Not yet.
You never move faster.
Uh-oh. I feel like the sugar high is kicking in.
No, it's mama.
You're not acting crazy right now? Okay, can you wipe your mouth right here? More, in the corners.
This is mine. I never will give it somebody. I never let it go.
Is there a door there? Oh my god, Nina, look! Look at all that rain. Whoa. That's a lot of rain. Nina, stop. You're gonna get wet.
Okay, that's what it is. We have to go back. We have to go like this.
You wanna go upstairs and check it out from upstairs?
Yeah.
Let's go. This way, Nina. Whoa. Whoa. Nina, tell us what happened.
I slipped.
You slipped, right? Why'd you slip?
Because the rain. Because the rain.
Fortunately, it stopped raining. So, we've got some groceries, now we're heading back. Alright, we'll make some minestrone soup for dinner. And then finally we can just kind of relax and get some well-needed rest.
グッパグッパできる？できる？ジャンプできる？できる？アウチ？ちょっとアウチ？
What
Jumpできる？
What do you?
How'd you hurt yourself?
Mina, open my door.
Mina opened the door and
Mina hurt.
Pretty bad injury. yeah.
血は出てる中でなってるだけ。
Ice maybe? Mina has been so injury prone these days. She slipped earlier and then she cut her leg. I'm gonna apply some bandages here. Okay, so we finished up dinner. Our tummies are full, and we have just one more thing that we need to do, which we cannot show you on the video, but this little guy here needs a haircut. Yes. So after we give him a haircut, then it's off to bed. So everyone, let's go ahead and say bye to the camera, okay? All right. Bye!
Bye-bye.
Look at this guy. Yes, look at this guy. He looks so sharp. Yes, he looks very sharp. Wow, Tato, you look very good. Yeah, you like your haircut? All right, say goodnight to everyone.
Good night.